Hey everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and as always, we're always going to be trying something new, continuously pushing ourselves. So, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. We are going to go back and try some problems, and I think I tried this a bunch of subscribers ago, and I don't think we were ready. Threw it out in the poll, so here we go. So here is our first little challenge. All right, so I want you to go make this grid, and tomorrow, and really kind of what I'm thinking is if these really catch on, what I'll do is I will pose these at the end of videos, or maybe even do 2 videos, but that might be too much. So again, all this is new and this is an experiment, but what we do here is we do micro videos. We do one subject at a time and maybe then one challenge, but I want you guys to get thinking and solving problems and really building a community. And have a shout out to probably one of the most loyal subscribers I've had in a long time. So stay tuned to that and see their shout out. So all right, so what this is I'll give you guys a hint. I have a top, a middle, a bottom, but the bottom looks a lot like the top, and then maybe go from there. But use the tools that we have and go forward. And then also, I want you guys to think about and then be able to articulate how would you explain to a new person learning Python the difference between a list extend and a list append. Oops, helps if you type correctly. Append and extend. They seem at first to be the same, but they are not. So all right, here we go. So our shout out is to David Wolf. They seem to be going in absolute sequential order, so they might be able to shout out at the bottom in the comment area at the bottom of this. But as of 5 days ago, they were on episode 317. And as the comments come through, as you can see, it appears that they are going in sequential order and not skipping a video at all. And David, you've had some really awesome questions. Want to appreciate the support. And I don't know what the threshold will be, but David has actually moved over to the Discord server. David's been around enough and been a subscriber for, I believe, 2 months. But that's what we're doing. I want us to build this community and move forward. So like I said, I don't know what the threshold is for how many comments to have, or maybe just asking to move over to the server, but this is where we're going. Yes, we'll always have videos. Yes, we'll always have micro videos, but challenges, problems, things like that, that's what we're going to really be keeping our staying sharp. So there we go. Real quick video today, something new, something exciting, but I just want to tell you guys, as always, thank you guys for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and if you're in school and you're learning Python, make sure you're sharing this with your classmates, because I promise it'll save them a lot of headaches. So as always, guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.